Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming future videos. For this DIY, I was asked to make 10 diamond-shaped chandeliers for an upcoming New Year's Eve party, and I would like to share with you how I made them. To start off, I'll be using skewers that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I already had some already on hand, already painted from a previous project. Next, I'll take my 1.5-inch skewers already cut, and I'll be placing them in the position. Once I'm satisfied with the placement, I'll start adding hot glue and gluing them together. I will have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Next, I'll be repeating the same steps. This time I'll be using 2.5-inch skewers. Next, I'll be using 2-inch skewers, and this time I'll be gluing them up but in an angle. Next, I'll connect both pieces together using hot glue. Next, I'll be using 4.5-inch skewers. I will start gluing them in an angle towards the center, joining the tips, and then I'll be adding hot glue to hold all the tips together. 16-inch cardboard cake boards that I already had on hand, and these cake boards already come with the holes in the center. Once I glue them together, I will just poke the holes out. Next, I'll be using this self-adhesive mirror reflective paper that I purchased from Joann's Fabric, and I'll be placing it on one side, and then I'll be taking my X-Acto knife and cutting out the center. This will help with light and reflection. Next, I cut out 18 by 2 inches poster board, and I'll be covering one side with mirror reflective tape. Once I was done covering the border, I will start gluing it on the edge of the base with the mirror reflection part facing down. Next, I will poke 2 holes using a sharp skewer. Next, I use fishing line and I cut it to the length that I need. I tied it to the diamond and then I took the ends of each fishing line and poke it through the holes. And then I tied it and temporarily attached it with tape. And then later I went back with my strongest adhesive glue. My apologies, for the last 2 weeks I've been having so many issues with my camera and I lost most of the footage for this video. But here are items that I used to complete my diamond chandelier. And here is the finished look. I have to say, after the struggles in losing most of my video footage, I love the way this chandelier turned out. And the camera is not doing it any justice. And for the Glam Queens, this will be a beautiful addition to glam up that certain area in your home. I am so glad I took on this order at the last minute, and making 10 of these was very challenging. I hope my client loves it as much as I do. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it. Now don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Like and share with family and friends. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment if you wish. Click that notification bell for more upcoming future videos. See you soon.